Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all will be fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. I am your English teacher, Miss Hasina Dawfat. Today, we are going to write words opposites 1 to 10 planned. You have to learn all these words, okay? Now, antonyms, words opposites 1 to 10 planned, okay? These are the 10 words opposites. Okay, look at the slide. The first one is big, bada, small, chota. I have explained yesterday that what are words opposites. Okay, जो एक दूसरे के उलट होते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ ताल्लुक रखते हैं, लेकिन इनकी मीनिंग एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल उलट होती है. Second one is short, छोटा, tall, लंबा. The third one is cold, 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 ठंडा, hot, hot, garam. Fourth one is black, 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 kala, सिया, white, white, सफेद. Fifth one is soft, soft, hard, hard, नरम, सख्त. Sixth one is open, 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 खुला हुआ, close, close, बंद. Seventh, kind, मेहरबान, unkind, ना मेहरबान. ठीक है. The eighth one is new, नया, and its opposite is old, पुराना. The ninth one is up, ऊपर, and its opposite is down, down, नीचे, ऊपर, नीचे. 10th one is day, दिन, and its opposite is night, रात. Now open your rough registers, English portion. Take out your pencils, sharp it, ruler, eraser, sharpener, okay, and be ready for written work. Prepare your page. Okay. Now hold your pencils in your hands and write with me. First write serial number S.NO, serial number. English B, CW for classwork, and today's date which is 19th May 2021. Topic, TOPIC, topic. Antonyms, words opposites, WORDS words, OPPOSITES opposites. 1 to 10 planned. Okay, prepare the page like this. Then write words over here, WORDS words, and opposites on the next side. Your page should be ready like this. Proper margin lines like this on this side, okay, and a line in the mid. Now write number 1 and start writing with me, okay. Number 1 is B I G, big, बड़ा. Its opposite is small, बिल्कुल इसके उलट. S M A double L, touching the three lines. Okay, big, small, big, small. BIG, big. SMA double L, small, big, small. Second, short. SHORT, short, छोटा कद के लिहाज से, ठीक है, जिसकी हाइट कम होती है. एंड इट्स ऑपोजिट इज tall, लंबा. TALL, tall, लंबा. short, tall. SHORT, short. TALL, tall, short, tall. Now number 3, CO, right in the middle 2 lines. COLD, cold, ठंडा. Its opposite is hot. HOT, hot, गरम. ठंडा, गरम. Write with me, neat and clean writing. Okay, बिल्कुल मेरी तरह लिखें lines में properly, touch the lines properly. And now write number 4, black. BLACK, black. काला या सिया. Its opposite is white. WHITE, white. Black, white. सिया, सफेद. Now write number 5, soft. SOFT, soft, नरम. Its opposite is hard. HARD, hard, soft, नरम, soft. 6th one is open. Write with me. OPEN, open. Open, close, खुला हुआ. और its opposite is बंद. CLOSE, close. Open, close. OPEN, open. CLOSE, close. Number 7 is KIND, kind, मेहरबान या रहमदिल. Its opposite is just add UN. Write UN like this. UN and then write kind. K I N D. Kind. Kind रहमदिल, unkind बेरहम. ठीक है. Now it's the turn of 8 number. Number 8. Write number 8 with me. N E W. New. 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 नया. Old. 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 पुराना. NEW. New. OLD. Old. New. Old. New. Old. नया. पुराना. Number 9. U P up. ऊपर. UP up. ऊपर. D O W N. Down. Up. Down. ऊपर. नीचे. UP up. DOWN down. Up. Down. ऊपर. नीचे. ऊपर. नीचे. Number 10 is day. 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 Then its opposite is night. 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 Then रात. Day, night. Day, night. Okay. You all have written. Now look at the slide again. Okay, now you can see the slide. All the words are already written over here. जिन्होंने लेट ज्वाइन किया है वो इससे कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. ओके, आई एम रिपीटिंग. बिग स्मॉल, छोटा बड़ा, शॉर्ट टॉल, छोटा लंबा कद के लिहाज से, कोल्ड हॉट ठंडा गर्म, ब्लैक व्हाइट सिया सफेद, सॉफ्ट हार्ड नरम सख्त, ओपन क्लोज खुला हुआ और बंद, काइंड अनकाइंड रहमदिल बेरहम, न्यू ओल्ड नया पुराना, अप डाउन ऊपर नीचे, डे नाइट दिन और रात. होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड. नाउ नोट डाउन योर होमवर्क. Note down your homework. Your homework is learn and write words opposites 1 to 10 planned in English portion of your rough register. आज हम लोगों ने जितने ये वर्ड्स ऑपोजिट्स किए हैं इसको लर्न भी करना, इसको लर्न करके राइट करना है अपने रफ रजिस्टर के इंग्लिश पोर्शन में. ओके. नाउ इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन रेज योर हैंड. एनी क्वेश्चन? If there's any problem, ask. Okay. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.